We guide you through how to fix iPhone camera black screen. So the first thing you need to do is to close camera app completely, then reopen it to see if the issue is gone. If the screen is still black, switch between the front and rear cameras a few times. Next, restart your iPhone as this often fixes temporary software glitches. Make sure nothing is blocking the camera lens, and remove your phone case if it covers the camera area. Then go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Camera, and confirm the camera access is enabled for the apps you're using. If the problem only happens in one app, update the app or reinstall it. You should also update your iPhone by going to Settings, General, Software Update, since Apple frequently releases fixes for camera related bugs. If the issue started after changing settings, go to Settings, General, or Reset iPhone and choose Reset, then reset all settings. This won't erase your personal data but will restore your system settings to default. If the camera remains black everywhere, it could be a hardware issue, and contacting Apple support or visiting an authorized repair center is your best option.